I'm back at my favourite little warung, and I've just ordered fish. So, wow, this place is so much more developed than the last time I was here. When I say developed, I mean you actually have concrete rather than dirt on the floor, which is more than it was last time. So, we've got lots of stuff here, but I always go for, it's got to be spearfished, it's got to have the gun. Lots of other stuff, it hasn't got the gun on it, so I want freshish fish, otherwise it could be something caught and then frozen. And then stick it on the grill over here, which my fish will be very shortly. And I'll keep you posted on my dinner. There you go. I'm a little bit tipsy right now. I've ordered lots of spicy stuff going on, and yeah, happy days. Let's hope I get a nice dinner. Let's get this bad boy cooked on a barbecue. Woo! Wow, that's hot. Melted my phone. Yeah, they got all sorts here, so it's open kind of like from the afternoon. We've got like icicle beers going on. We've got a little rum thing going on here for Indonesian food. Lots of specialities. It kind of like empties very quickly, this place. So if you are coming here and wanting a great dish, it will be gone quickly. Oh, plastic chairs, always great, and ice cold beer. Gilly style. Well, maybe Gilly Alice, whatever, Nusa Lembongan. Oh my god, I need to get my hair sorted out. It's like sticking up everywhere. But where can you go in the UK and get yourself barbecued fish caught fresh that day from a spearfish gun on the grill, unless you're a spearfisher or a sparrow, as they call themselves, for about £7. It's impossible. Add a couple of cheeky cold beers on. What's it going to cost you? You're going to be some posh London restaurant or some posh restaurant paying 50 quid, 60 quid, 70 quid for exactly the same thing. Come here. Why not? Enjoy island life, experience it. Just get out of the box and come to places like this and enjoy it. And food's amazing. People are absolutely lovely. Yeah, of course. You sat in a plastic chair in the middle of a street, but hey ho. Who's having the best time? Dinner has arrived. Nice tasty fish. And a little bit of salad. And rice. I think you want some dinner. Right, I think I need to end a bit of an early night. I've had a few too many of these big time thingy bobs. I'm scuba diving tomorrow, up at 7:30. God's truth. I hope I'm going to be alright. I'll let you know how it goes. Catch you on the next one.